Good morning. I have a Saturday job here. I've got this breadboards. The friend of mine is like a laminated wood, pieces of wood they glue together. And then he just asked me to put a edge on it with a router because the edges are sharp. So just to make it neat. But it's a nice tip of wood for a cheese board or a breadboard. And let's see how it goes. Okay, you can use this slide that I actually did here, but I use the slide to clamp my unit onto the workbench. So this is my one option, but at least there's a bearing there, then it keeps the wood steady. You can see how the bit looks here. You can see here's the bit. Now there's a little bearing there on the top. Let me just put my microphone here. There's a little bearing on the top of the bit here, and that keeps the thing doesn't go too deep, and then it runs on the bearing. Safety first. Okay, there you go. I noticed that there's one unit with a piece of metal in here. I tried to just heat it with a punch, just can fill it up again, but this is going to be a problem, so I'll have to just get the angle here to see if it will damage my bit, but I think I'm going to do that last, and should that damage my bit, otherwise I'll have to just heat it a little bit more in. You can see I have a whole pile of them here, all of them breadboards. Now this metal part causes an issue here, look here. I stopped it here and then I carry on, so there's a bit of an issue. So I'm gonna take a file or something and try to smooth it here to fix it. Okay, let's show you what I did here. I take a round file, and then I file it here. And then doesn't look too bad. But this is like a little piece of metal there, so there's kind of a special board this with a piece of metal in here. But then I'll just do that. Okay, that is fixed. But this is a very nice wood actually. There's a very waxy surface. So this board doesn't look so great. So it will be ideal for cutting stuff here because it won't suck in the wood so easily. So I'm just going to finish them off now and then I'm finished. I also want to show you what I did with the sand there while I'm busy. This is a Bosch sand that I use over the years. A very reliable little machine. No issue, but the problem with this mechanisms that you keep this a little bit longer, then you fit it in here, and another one is also in here. Then you're supposed to clamp your sanding paper in there. But what I did here, I took some this Velcro. You stick Velcro on here, then you buy this units with a sticky back part that is used for Velcro. Then you just stick it there. And it's so easy to in and off, and so it works lekker. So it's a better way to actually use your sander.